On our muggy meter, the dew point is in the steamy category, so I mean, even though it's a little lower than yesterday, you still notice it, and it will still produce a heat index into this afternoon. So we'll be in the middle 70s by noon. How about 83 degrees by 2 o'clock? Probably topping out somewhere in the middle 80s this afternoon. Factor in the humidity, it will feel several degrees warmer. In fact, we may see dew points try to approach the lower 70s this afternoon. That is certainly a possibility. That would put heat indices or the feels like temperature in the lower 90s, maybe 92 for a heat index by 5 or 6 o'clock tonight. Notice skies continuing to get sunnier and sunnier. By the end of the day, we're just looking at mostly clear skies, and that'll remain the case overnight. 86 degrees this afternoon. I have bumped up highs just a smidge from what we had this morning because of all the sunshine we're seeing right now. Maybe coming across a spotty shower or two. The chance is pretty low overall. We'll see a fair temperature spread across the area, maybe 82 for the high in Omaha. Our warmest air will be confined to our southern communities, maybe middle 90s for areas closer to Heber, maybe lower 90s for Beatrice and Fairbury. For tonight, mostly clear, 63 degrees, a couple of degrees below average for an overnight low. A very quiet night. Look at this right here. This is really cool. You see this one little line right here followed by another little line to the north. This is what we call a gravity wave. So basically you've got rain-cooled air from storms earlier this morning continuing to push south, and it's impinging upon a stable air mass, and it's creating this wavy structure. And in the ascending branches of those waves, you're seeing some cloud formation. So there it is on satellite imagery. Looks really, really cool. That was moving through southern Nebraska earlier this morning, now all the way in central Kansas. In Nebraska right now, we are watching a few spotty showers. Remember how I said I can't rule these out? There they are. They're not significant. They're not severe by any means. And, well, you might see a few raindrops out of these. That's about it. Just enough to maybe wet the pavement, if even that. Right now, cloud cover is doing a good job of staying away from Lincoln, but you see a few more clouds for our southern row of counties. Stormcast heading into this afternoon. Say goodbye to the clouds. They're going away, and then we'll be mostly clear for much of the overnight hours. To the south, I think we'll see some thunderstorm development in Kansas, maybe just close enough to some of our far southeastern communities. Maybe I'm talking Barnston, maybe getting out towards Pawnee or Richardson counties. That's a low chance, though. Mostly clear for the overnight hours in central and eastern Nebraska, but the western parts of the state will be looking at some shower and thunderstorm development. Those will continue to come to life tomorrow morning, and those will move into eastern Nebraska on a scattered basis into tomorrow afternoon. So lots of rain chances over the next few days. Tomorrow and on Friday, we'll be dodging those scattered showers and storms. I have reflected the 10-day outlook for the midday show to take out the morning storm chance, of course, because we already saw that. So for the rest of the day, we're just partly cloudy with 86 degrees. 90 tomorrow, 86 on Friday, 89 on Saturday. Through the weekend, we'll keep a couple of small rain chances too. So if you need rain, which we all do, there are chances that we will be watching. Hopefully you will be able to see some of it without all of the severe weather, although, we'll watch things. I can't rule out severe weather tomorrow or Friday.